Good morning from Lake Bled. In case you just joined us, we are Mansoureh and Bruno. We began our road trip in Italy and drove to Slovenia. In the last few days, we explored Piran, a town on the Slovenian coast, and Ljubljana, the capital of Slovenia. Today, we left Ljubljana for a day trip to visit one of the most beautiful lakes in Europe. We drove 40 minutes from Ljubljana to here, and today we are going to explore this famous lake and surrounding. Once upon a time, a young widow lived in a castle of Bled. Her husband was killed by robbers, so she gathered all her gold and silver and cast the bell to his memory. However, a terrible storm sank the bell, the boat, and the boatman as it was being delivered to the island. That's why nowadays, sometimes during the night, you can hear the bell ringing from down in the water. The widow went to Rome and became a nun. After her death, the Pope heard about her misfortune and cast a new bell and sent it to the church on this island. If you ring the bell 3 times, your wish will come true. This bottle keeps the water really cool and I need it for now. I don't know why they built all the castle so high and we should climb. Ooh, it's hot. The view is stunning. Bled Castle is standing at the top of a steep cliff above the lake at an height of 130 meters. Built in the 11th century, it is the oldest castle in Slovenia and one of the most visited attractions in the country. If you don't like walking, you can come by car or by bike, but we love suffering.
What are we doing?
We are going to rent a stand-up paddleboard for 1 hour, but we were on the other side of the lake. They didn't have it, and now we are going to check this one. Hopefully they have it. I'm really hot. I need to do some sport, but I need to cool down. Now we found a place and we are going for 1 hour pedaling. Here you can rent a boat or take a boat tour, and you can also, like us, rent a paddleboard to go to the island. On a hot day, a refreshing swim here is a must do. Am I right? Let's go and eat. Yesterday we had a chat with a local, a Slovenian guy, and he told us nowadays burger is quite popular in Slovenia and they do it really good. That's why today we went for burger. The burger looks amazing. And the view, you can see. Oh my god, I don't know how to start. It's the hardest thing to do. It's good. I finished the burger. You might not believe it, but I finished it and we are ready to have dessert. And we can't leave Lake Bled without trying this cake. This cake is original Bled Cream Cake. It's different layer. The pastry on the bottom and creamy is good. Now we should say bye to Lake Bled and we are going to check out another lake. I feel we are lucky because when we were outside it was sunny, perfect, and we could jump to the water, but now it's raining. Literally, this lake, I can't really pronounce it, I put the name down here, is bigger. It's less busy than Lake Bled, but Lake Bled is more popular. The water here is a bit colder.
This lake is not sunny. It's a big problem. Whoa, whoa.
Jump to the water! We are really lucky. As soon as we got out of the water and we gave the boards back, the rain started. And for now, we are going to drive to the other side of the lake to get some shots and photo. And this is the end of this video. See you in the next video.
Are you trying to come here and make me fall again? I'm gonna lose the GoPro. Oh, no.
Let me get my board. That is good.
I see your skills to go like up. Show us the skills. Oh, great, perfect. That is exactly how you should do it. Oh.